This guy just dropped off the wheels. Got him in the back here. Gotta head over to Jake's house. Get these babies on. Oh, I'm so excited. See you guys there. We're here. I got the Revo torque arm bushing mount. I got my lugs. There's a banner in there I got for Christmas, but I don't know if I want to put it in yet or not. Wheels right here. Can't really see them yet until we take them out of the packaging, but it should be fun.
I mean, I know your car's a rally car and all, but I don't think it's staying in your car.
Try it. Yeah, we'll just keep it here. What's in this package? Huh? What? Okay. Oh, look. I got some things here. Oh, the Koenig centerpieces.
Oh, the wheels.
And what is that?
Maybe just keep the caps on?
They're little bolts.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Look at that, look at that, hold up, hold up. Oh, they're all together, but...
Nice.
Yeah. Alright. What?
So they're gonna get dirty in a single day.
Oh shit, you're right, I forgot to bring my coating. Damn it!
I have mine.
Yeah, I want to run home. I'm gonna run home real quick. Okay, that kind of sucks, because I had to run back and get the hydro slip and some cleaner and stuff so I can start. So I can at least get some coating on the wheels before I throw them on. Jake's over here. What are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out how this works.
Where's your new one?
Right here.
Oh, that's the new one? You're just trying to figure out how to plug everything in? Oh, that's sick. I like that. Alright. Oh, something down nice and easy. Let's not cut the wheels. Oh, baby. Look at these things. On that, I think yes. Koenig flow form. They got a little bit concave to them. Looks real nice.
I took out my floor liner, so I don't want to get my carpet dirty.
You like them?
I thought they were black.
No, they're good.
They're still gonna look good. Was you upgrade?
Yeah, I know, it's gonna look good.
Alright.
Sweet.
Let's jack this puppy up.
You do that, I'm gonna start. Next wheel. So much wood dust over here. Oh, you good girl. Not like working in the dark with not proper lighting. Oh my God. Jake, I want you to do a weight test. I wish we had a scale, but we don't. I want you to come pick up both of them.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
You got it?
No, yeah. Well, not from rolling into your car. Oh,
Do you,
yeah.
do you
That's
feel
like
it?
5 pounds.
But it's a rotational mass.
Actually, it's probably more like 7 or 8 pounds.
You gotta multiply that by like 10.
I think it's 5 or something.
So
There's
if
a
like
lot, though.
6
Yeah.
multiplied by 10 is
Times
60. In all 4 corners, that's how much
140
weight.
pounds.
Something like that.
No.
That's like how much weight I lost.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Wait, how much did you say?
I said like 6 or 7 pounds.
Each?
It's very noticeable.
So like, let's say 6 times 10 is 60, times 4 is 240.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, okay. That's crazy. And look how much cooler the tires look. Like, these tires look so much cooler than those tires. Ah, mud and dirt, mud. And... Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that felt great. Can I have that light? Because I can't like, I need both my hands and then.
This might go in my mouth.
Okay, it's already been in my mouth.
I know.
And it's already been in your mouth.
I know. Let's go!
Let's get it.
Oh, tits. I need to clean off my brake. GoPro is going in my mouth. Huh? Sure. I'll check my torque specs there. Alright. Ah, fuck. GoPro is in my mouth. Where the holes? There are the holes. Let's see holes. Ouch. Ow. Fucking. Why volts? Why can't you have studs? Freaking stupid. Where's my wrench? I have a GoPro head mount. I don't know why I didn't bring it. All right.
Yeah, I know.
Got 2 of them on.
He's always in a hurry.
It's dark out now. They're all coated. Look awesome with the red brake calipers. Now I just gotta go around back to the other side and gotta get the center caps in. So check back in when I have the rest done. I want to put this sticker on and the other crap that's in the back of my car. I need these things. And this. Hold up.
You check your pocket.
Yeah. I will, hold on. The center cap, you said you wanted to peel one off. Do it. I can't find the edge. There we go.
Did you get it in, Jake?
I am a genius, Yachman.
Ooh.
Yeah, what?
I'm a genius.
So, it's been a while since I was back on here. I realized I didn't finish the end of the video of me putting on the wheels. Wheels are on now. I got new badges, and I don't know, I think it's looking great. It's freezing out here, so I'm gonna finish up this video real quick. My car is covered in ice, but might as well show you guys, so here we go. Those are the new Koenigs. They're Koenig Ampliphorms. And the Nitto Neo-Gen tires have been amazing. Ton of grip. A lot more than before. I can still spin them when I want to. I think the color of the wheels makes the calipers pop a ton, and I think it looks awesome. And I had to bring the mud flaps out just a tad more. You can see the old hole right there. I just brought them out a tad more, just so I wasn't flinging stuff all over my car from the little bit wider wheels and tires. Car kind of looks sick covered in ice right now. But yeah, got the black front badge, and if we work our way down here without slipping and dying, I got the black rear badge with a carbon steel gray inlay behind it. The color is not perfect, but it's good enough that I think it all works. So yeah, it looks awesome in my opinion. So yeah, those are the new wheels, new tires. Oh, I forgot. I put on that bushing too. And something you gotta make sure for anyone else doing that bushing out there. You gotta make sure, it comes in like 2 pieces. So there's like a top part and there's like a bottom part. And you gotta make sure that you only pull out the bottom part. So what happened was we pulled out the top part just a little bit, and there's like a little window to where the actual dog bone connector thing that connects the transmission to the subframe that actually is the mount, kind of. The top part of the bushing went down a little too far and it like poked out of that window, and it wouldn't go back in. So I had to use a Dremel and like shave down the corner just a tad, just so that we can push it back in. And it took forever, and it was a pain in the ass, but we got it back in. And then I got the new bushing in. It's just this like little red puck you can get. I got mine on Eurotuning. I get everything on Eurotuning. And we put the new one back in. It adds a lot of vibrations, I've noticed, on if the car isn't. Actually, you know what? I can show that. I don't know if y'all can tell. It adds a good bit of vibrations. So once you start it, or if you're sitting out here idling for a little bit, it rattles a good bit and it clicks. And it's not that annoying. It's noticeable. Doesn't bother me that much because I know what the reason it is. It's not doing it right now, which is great because I'm trying to show it doing it. But you'll put it in and you'll feel more vibrations in idle. I just, right when I turn on the AC just once, and it raises the RPM like, I don't know, 100, 200 or something. It goes away, which is weird, but it does add a little bit of vibration. Not horrible, but it makes up for it when you do burnouts or when you accelerate or something. There's so much less wheel hop, and which prevents a lot of damage. I'm pretty sure like it could potentially prevent that whole arm from bending. I think I read on some forum somewhere, but other than that, like, it just feels, you know, you can feel it feels a little bit more strong, feels a little bit more like one piece. I don't know, I like it. I think it's a good upgrade to do. Next, let's see. Next, I'm probably gonna try to get coilovers for the car. I want it tinted. What else do I want? I want a new shift. I want to get a short shifter. I want to get a short shifter. I want to get a new knob. There's a Black Forest Industries knob that looks just like a golf ball that I want to put on here. Because the only reason why I didn't want to get a new shift knob, like a weighted one, was because I liked the golf ball thing, because it's like paying homage to the first GTI that had a golf ball shifter, and I didn't want to get rid of that. But since Black Forest Industries makes a leather black golf ball kind of looking shift knob, it's gonna, first of all, be weighted and feel cool. Second of all, not be freezing cold when you grab it like the plastic and metal one is, and it's gonna look sick. It's gonna look like golf ball still. So I'm gonna get that. That's probably gonna be the next chunk of stuff. I want to do an intake, and down the road I want to do an exhaust and a tune. That stuff's expensive. I'll try to keep the small stuff first, because I am only 16 and still trying to save money for other stuff. You know how it is. But yeah, that's gonna be the stuff I do first, or that's gonna be the stuff I do next. And yeah, I'll try to video as much as I can every mod I do. Like I said, I kind of want this channel, or so far, to be like just a progression of my car. Have fun with it. There'll be other people's cars on here and hanging out with different people and other random stuff that I feel like posting. But for now, like I said, these are the new wheels. Completely transforms the look of the car. I don't look like a stock boy anymore. The cool part is people actually notice me. You know, I'll be driving down the road and people be like, hey, I saw you on the road. That was your car. Which is sick, and I like that. So yeah, till next video of whatever that video is about, I'll see you guys then.